Hey G Squad, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this breaded oven baked codfish, and I paired it along with this salad, which will be in a separate video. However, if you'd like to see how I made this delicious fish, then nice and combined. So now this fish is going to cook on at 400 degrees with the oven is already preheated. Make sure you heat your oven beforehand. And then also you're going to prep your baking dish, which I'm using I'm going to add some parchment paper on a baking sheet, and that's what we're going to bake it on. Combine that real well. Alright, that suffice. So now let's move this off to the side and bring in our fish. So now we're just going to season this fish. And I already showed you the seasonings that I'm using. And now, of course, you season your food to your liking. Some people may just want simple salt and pepper, but I like my food, you know, with some flavor to it. Add some garlic powder. Add some of this pepper. You hear footsteps in the background, you know what it is, so. Let's hit it with that. Add some paprika. Family, how you doing? Hope everybody's doing well. As well as your family members. Mix that real good. Rinse my hands. I also want to add, this is at the last minute, I'm going to just add some of this adobo as well. Just a small amount. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to take the fish. Okay, so I'm going to add that into my egg wash. We're going to hold that up and let the excess egg drain off. Sit that down in our batter. And then I'm just going to follow up with the second piece and do the same. Let the excess drain. Alright, so now we're just going to coat our codfish real well with our breadcrumb Parmesan. And make sure you pat this dry ingredient into your fish because you want to make sure it adheres to it. Okay, so just go in and just pat it in, press it down in there. Okay? Okay, so now we're going to follow up and just do the same. Repeat the same with this side, with this piece. Add your breadcrumbs and press it in there. Okay. Okay. So now let's bring in our sheet. Let me get this out of the way. Bring our fish over. Okay, so now I want to take my olive oil. And I'm just going to drizzle it over the fish, and it's what this is going to do is add a nice little crunch to it while it's baking. Or if you don't have olive oil, if you have spray olive oil in a can, you can also spray it. Okay. All right. Just use my brush. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just going to pop this in the oven and let this bake for about 15 minutes or till the breadcrumbs is brown and the fish is nice and flaky, okay? And then I'll see you all soon. Alright family, so I just removed the fish out of the oven. So as you can see, the breadcrumbs is a nice golden brown. And you see how flaky our fish is? Yeah, nice and done. Alright, so I'm going to plate this and